Lost all your keys to your 2008-2009 Hummer H2? You can program a new transponder key yourself using an OBD2 scanner. You'll need a compatible scanner like Autel, Launch, or Foxwell, a blank key with a compatible transponder chip such as Philips Crypto 46 or Texas Instruments 4D63, and a functional vehicle battery. Connect the scanner to your Hummer H2's OBD2 port. Access the key programming menu, usually found under Body or Immobilizer. Follow the on-screen prompts to enter programming mode, which typically involves cycling the ignition. The scanner will then guide you through adding the new key to the system's memory. Note, this all keys lost procedure may require a master key emulation, which some scanners handle by resetting the immobilizer before programming. Ensure your scanner supports this function. Success rates for DIY key programming are around 70 to 80%, but failures can occur. First, verify the correct key blank and transponder chip for your Hummer H2. A faulty transponder chip is a common cause of failure. Also, ensure there are no diagnostic trouble codes, DTCs, present. Clear any codes before starting. Incorrect programming can lock your vehicle, so follow instructions carefully. YouTube tutorials and online forums like Reddit's r/askmechanics or gmtrucks.com offer helpful guidance, but always cross-reference information. If you encounter issues, consider consulting a locksmith. While DIY is feasible for older H2s, complex immobilizer problems may necessitate professional help. Experts predict DIY programming will become more difficult for newer vehicles due to increased cybersecurity.